Seattle, inside the cut. Enjoy! Happy boating!
Corina, Corina, where you been so long? Corina, Corina, where you been so long? I ain't had no lovin' since you've been gone. I got a bird that whistles, I got a bird that sings. I got a bird that whistles, well, I got a bird that sings. But if I ain't my Corina, life don't mean one damn thing. Corina, Corina, grabbing on my mind. Corina, Corina, grabbing on my mind. Well, I've been thinking about your loving all the time. Corina, Corina, where you been so long?
I'm going to be in Southeast Alaska running luxury yacht charters. We'll be running out of Juneau, all over Southeast, from Skagway down to Ketchikan and out to Sitka. So if you want to join us, we'd be happy to see you out there. We're hoping to get on a lot of good salmon and good rockfish. Always need something for the gourmet chef to cook up. So if we can bring in some fresh fish for that, helps out. We're on the eastern edge of Lake Washington, looking at Bill Gates' house. It starts probably right over there by his dock, and then goes quite a ways out in front of us, over here a couple hundred yards more.
Well, trains don't run forever. Even fire burns out sometime. I gotta tell you, baby, we've come to the end of the line.
Pages of yesterday fill this book of mine. And I hate to tell you, baby, we've reached the end of the line.
Charter. If you want to charter up in Alaska, you're going to get things like fishing trips, exploration trips, kayaking. You'll get to see great things like glaciers, whales, bears, all the fun stuff. So bring your spouse or your significant other and come hang out with us for a week. You'll enjoy it, and maybe we'll make some new friends.
I hate to tell you, baby,